No more slippery wet hands when you can make your own mason jar cozies. Measure the circumference of your jar and add 2 inches to it. That will be the length of your rectangle. One of the sides, round it out into a circular shape. Add 1/2 inch seam allowance on all sides. Step 2, you're going to roughly cut the front lining and batting to the approximate size of your pattern. And if you want to embroider, now's the time to embroider. Put the fabric front on batting and customize your cozy now. Step 3, place fabrics right sides together over the batting. Step 4, trace the pattern, marking the center point of the rounded side for elastic placement. And 5, cut your elastic to size. You can use a skinny 3/8 inch seam allowance on the inside of the pattern line, making sure to securely tack the elastic by going back and forth and making sure to leave an opening to flip. Step 7 is to now cut out on the line. After cutting out, make sure to clip your curves and to clip your corners for a smooth outside finish when you flip it inside out. Step 8 is to flip it inside out. Use something pointy, but not too pointy, to flip out the corners and to smooth the curves. Now turn the edges in at the opening by the seam allowance and press. Step 9, sew all around the cozy at about a 1/4 inch seam allowance, back tacking at the end. Step 10, check the fit around your jar and mark for your button placement. Everybody's elastic is going to be a little different, so it's best if you have the jar in front of it and can just mark where your button should be. Step 11, sew the button on, and voila, you're done with your cozy. You can add multiple buttons for different size jars and go wild. Have fun. Enjoy your drinks. But not too much drinking and sewing, because that might not end well.